Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a deeply meaningful topic that's not only about learning, it's about experiencing. Have you ever felt like there is something more to life than what meets the eye? Maybe you have found yourself searching for peace, purpose, or a deeper connection with Allah. If that resonates you, then stick around because today we're talking about Sufism, a beautiful path to drawing closer to Allah and purifying the heart. Now you might be thinking, what exactly is Sufism? Well, let me tell something interesting with you. Sufism isn't just a discipline for scholars or religious leaders. It's a path that is open to everyone, no matter your background or level of knowledge. In a world so focused on material things, everyone has a soul that craves something deeper, and that's where Sufism plays a key role. Imagine for a moment being at peace within yourself, no distraction, just pure connection with the divine. Wouldn't that be something? Well, that's what Sufism helps us achieve. It's not just about knowledge, it's about a form of worship that purifies our heart and helps perfect our character. So let's dive into it together and explore the sense of Sufism. So let's start with the core characteristics of Sufism, the things that truly define the path. Are you ready? First, we have moral refinement. Sufism teaches us to purify the soul by removing distraction and worldly desire. Think of it like cleaning your heart. How do you cleanse your heart? By practicing humility, patience, and devotion. Can you think of a time when you were really humble or patient in a difficult situation? That's a part when your spiritual growth. Next, we have the idea of union with Allah. Sufism teaches that everything in the world is temporary except Allah. Imagine your ego fades away and all that's left is the presence of the divine. How incredible is that? A Sufi believes that when the ego is killed by Allah, their heart is revived with the love for the divine. Doesn't that sound like the ultimate connection? Are you still with me? If so, let's keep going. Now, let's talk about intuition. Intuition is a form of spiritual knowledge. It's not about logic or reason. It's about the presence of Allah in your heart without being able to explain it logically. That's what Sufism feels like. Then symbolism. Sufi teachings often use symbol to communicate deeper truths. It's like a hidden language that only understood by those with spiritual insight. Does that sound mysterious? It is because it invites us to look deeper beyond the surface of things. And finally, inner peace and happiness. The ultimate goal of Sufism is to find peace within the heart. True happiness doesn't come from material success, but from being harmony with Allah. Picture this, you're calm, peaceful, and content with everything around you. That's what Sufism offers, an inner tranquility that surpasses everything this world can offer. Feeling inspired? Let's take a step further and look at a real-life example of how these principles were practiced by someone truly special in the Sufi tradition. Let me tell you a story about Hatim al-Asham, a renowned Sufi. One day, Hatim's student named Isham bin Yusuf asked him how he prays. Hatim explained that prayer for him was not just about an outward action, but it was an inward experience too. He said, "When I hear the call to prayer, I prepare both my body and soul." And get this, when Hatim performed wudu, his inner wudu was not just about washing his hand and washing his face. It was about cleansing his soul. He shared 7 practices: repentances, letting go of worldly attachment, forgiving others, and more. Imagine praying with this level of awareness. And Hatim did this for 30 years, and his heart was completely connected with Allah. Isn't this an incredible way of thinking about prayer? It's not just about the act. It's about the whole being present with Allah. So, what does this teach us? It shows us that Sufism is not just about the external actions. It's about aligning the heart with the divine. When you focus on purifying your heart, you are making room for Allah's light to shine within. In conclusion, Sufism is a journey of purification, inner peace, and connection with Allah. It's not about being perfect, it's about being sincere in your effort to become closer to Allah. So let's ask ourselves, what steps can we take today to purify our heart and connect with Allah? How can we live with more compassion, more awareness, and more presence? If you found today's video inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with someone who may benefit about hearing Sufism. And remember, the journey to Allah is a beautiful one. So let's walk it together. Assalamualaikum.